Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can erase all your data in your Vivo smartphone, how you can erase it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the settings option. Here you can see, just swipe down. Here you can just swipe down, you can see there is a system settings. You have to just click on it and just swipe down. You can see there is a reset option, uh, and you have to just click on erase all data. Click on erase all data and it asks for your password. You have to just uh, confirm your password, and it takes hardly 2 to 5 minutes for restarting your mobile phone, and your all data will be reset. This is, you can just reset your smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.